Hello everybody. I take immense pleasure in welcoming you to the earnings update of Muthoot Finance Limited and its subsidiaries for the quarter 2 of financial year 2022. At the outset, let me wish you all good health and prosperity. It is all sunshine on Indian economy and the pandemic is receding fast. We are happy that Muthoot Finance has been instrumental in helping thousands reclaim their livelihood in different ways during the havoc created by the pandemic. The company showcased a stellar performance in quarter 2 of this financial year. The gross loan assets of Muthoot Finance and its subsidiaries stood at rupees 60,918 crores at the end of the second quarter, compared to rupees 52,286 crores at the end of the corresponding quarter last financial year, with a good 17% year-on-year growth. Muthoot Finance and its subsidiaries reported a consolidated profit after tax of rupees 1,981 crores in the first half of this financial year, compared to 1,788 crores in the same period last financial year, a robust 11% year-on-year growth for the first half. The gross loan assets of Muthoot Finance, the flagship company, stood at rupees 55,146 crores at the end of this half year. The standalone profit is rupees 994 crores this quarter of the financial year as compared to 894 crores in the same period last year, recording a year-on-year growth of 11%. The profit after tax stood at 1,965 crores for the first half as against 1,735 crores in the same period last year, showcasing a neat 13% year-on-year growth. The company steadily treads on its success journey with a pan-India presence of over 4,619 branches, servicing more than 2 lakh customers every day. It has in its vaults a whopping 178 tons of gold kept as security against advance, making it the most sought-after service provider in the gold loan industry. It has a strong promoter interest in business with a solid 73% stake. During this financial year, the company paid out a dividend of 200% to its equity investors. Our digital initiatives in the form of digital convenience for new-gen and the millennium customer acquisition by way of direct credit facilities, POS terminals, loan repayment option through Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, new initiatives including AI with transactional capacities show that we are digitally equipped service partner in the financial services sector. Our home loan app has been downloaded by more than 10,000 users and more than 29% of our customers are transacting online. The company has a stable source of funding primarily from secured non-convertible debentures, bank borrowings and commercial paper issues. Our funding instruments enjoy the highest rating among gold loan companies. Regarding the safety of our gold loan portfolio at the end of September 2022, from the lender's perspective, the company enjoys a margin of safety of 27%, and from the borrower's perspective, equity of the borrower in the gold loan ornaments net of loan avanced stands at 39%. The company maintains a capital adequacy ratio of 27.6%, which is well above the statutory requirement. It has 26,139 skilled and groomed workforce at the end of this quarter. Now on to the subsidiaries of Muthoot Finance. The loan AUM of Asia Asset Finance stood at Sri Lankan rupees 14,569 million at the end of this quarter, as against Sri Lankan rupees 12,982 million at the end of the previous quarter last year. Muthoot Home Finance India Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Muthoot Finance. The gross loan assets under management in this company stood at 1,640 crores at the end of this second quarter. Muthoot Insurance Brokers Private Limited, an IRDA licensed direct insurance broker, is a 100% subsidiary of Muthoot Finance. During the first half of the financial year 2022, Muthoot Insurance Brokers has sold 11,93,175 policies, earning a profit after tax of Rs 9 crores. Belstar Microfinance Limited is a 70% subsidiary of Muthoot Finance. As on September 30th, Belstar has 653 branches spread across 18 states and 1 union territory in India. Belstar's gross loan AUM stood at 3,354 crores at the end of this quarter, compared to 2,686 crores at the end of the same period last year. Muthoot Money Limited is a 100% subsidiary of Muthoot Finance. It mainly extends vehicle finance and commercial equipment loans. The gross AUM of Muthoot Money stood at 281 crores at the end of this quarter. As we traverse the less tread path towards success, we are deeply thankful to the wholehearted support and trust bestowed upon us by all our stakeholders, including our shareholders, investors, employees, and most importantly, our valued customers. We believe in only one growth strategy: work hard as the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Thank you. Jai Hind.